people of planet Earth, welcome to a very misty episode of Mason's Rugged Roads. Today I'm out with Charlie, handsome Charlie, on his handsome 890, even more handsomer Alex Stonebridge on his T7. I think we should do some more tomfoolery, chaps. Yes! Rocks in the face on a Saturday morning. Charlie's doing, uh-oh. Me and Charlie have just done the same, got in the same rut. Excellent. Oh, let's, you and Charlie, you might better pick her up. Look at that, the man's as strong as an ox. Oh, bollocks, another man down. Do some space. Whoa! But it's clay underneath, isn't it? Oh, a bit of a log. It's half a tree, Stonebridge. Are you in one of life's ruts? Call 0898 555 55. Into the Serengeti. Watch out for those sleeping lions, Stonebridge, and the sleeping logs. Poor Charlie's just had an off, broken his windshield, snapped a little connecting nodule for his Garmin GPS, but he's alright. Just came off in this right hand rut into the bank. Thank you. Yes, left-hand side. Come on, Charlie. Left-hand side's all right. All right, thank you. Thank you. This is why I come out and play. The wind noise is probably a right bitch, but let me see if I can tell you anyway. From here, all the way as far as the eye can see in the distance, all the way around here, all the way around here, and about there, that entire circle, there is 300 square miles of Salisbury Plain, and we're allowed on 150 square miles on the byways, of course. What a playground. those two maniacs. I've got a job to catch them. Way. Well held, Stonebridge. I've seen 4x4s stuck in here. I think it's just really gooey, so when you go in it really grabs your wheels and tyres. It might be alright, it might not, but we've got a pub to go to. Yeah. Let's chase that fool. Interesting to see. There they are, all covered in shit, just sitting there, ticking themselves cool. You know, when the exhaust pipes on the bike are going tink, dunk, tink. The mud is drying, nice and caked on. Stonebridge, Mason, Ants and Charlie have all just arrived at the pub. We're going to go and sit in the garden and have ourselves a beer, because we bloody well earned it. Don't you drop that.
Focus on him is far more than on the motorbike.
There's been more concentration there than there was on your KTM, mate.
Made for walking.
We are very grateful. Cheers, man.
Cheers, guys. Good day.
Yes.